Take this Monster View flip-up auto-darkening welding helmet. It's ideal for TIG, MIG, MMA, and plasma cutting applications with a grinding feature. Get a clear view for grinding, material inspection, and other tasks with the flip-up design. See your work clearly in the large 15.2 square inch viewing area. Make quick and precise adjustments with the digital welding lens. The lens darkens automatically, offering a variable 5 to 13 shade. 4 arc sensors detect when an arc is struck. A fast switching speed goes from clear to dark in 1/25,000th of a second. Improve visibility and reduce eye strain with the True Color technology, which minimizes the traditional lime green coloring in the helmet view screen. A rechargeable battery makes it easy to keep the helmet powered up and running. Protect your eyes and get the job done with this Monster View auto darkening welding helmet from Clutch.